Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with this Kospet Tank T2, okay, a premium rugged outdoor smartwatch, okay, and of course it comes from the popular company of rugged smartwatches, Kospet, okay, and as you can see here, it is a military grade smartwatch, okay, with a 2-year warranty. Okay, Kospet Tank T2, watch you want. Okay, so here are the specs and the features of this wearable. But we are going to check on the menus also and the different functions available in the wearable. When it comes to durability, as you can see here, okay, it is packed with a lot of features. Okay, so it has undergone durability test for low pressure test, contamination, sand and dust test, vibration, rain test, solar radiation, high temperature test, low temperature test, shock test, and damp heat test. Okay, so let's go back to the wearable. So it has a user manual here available in English. Okay, and we have here some instructions. Okay, and it is using the Kospet Fit application. Okay, in the health and fitness category. Okay, it will be our first to install the support app. Okay, so we'll see. Okay, going back to the smartwatch, as you can see here, a beautiful, okay, AMOLED screen display, 1.43 inch with a 466, as you can see here, 466 by 466 pixel resolution. Okay, so we're going to check the menus and features of the wearable. So if you have any questions regarding this video, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, are you ready? So let's check. So we have here the power button and we have the dedicated sports button. Okay, so let's check. Swipe from top to down. We do have the quick settings here. Okay, so here brightness display. Let's see the overall brightness. So very bright screen display here. So let's adjust. Okay, we do have, okay, I guess this is a menu. Okay, menu options. Okay, we do have battery settings. Okay, silent mode. Okay, on the other side, left side, we do have the, okay, menus and the different functions. On the right side, we have the quick access to the different functions here. Okay, you can also add components. Let's see. Okay, we add components. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's check. Okay, so we added that component, music control function. On the bottom part, I guess it's the notification. Okay, so on the right side or left side, we do have the different functions here. We have the daily activities. We have the call, heart rate, blood oxygen, workout, blood pressure, sleep, weather, music, message. We also have a breathing exercises, alarm. We also have voice assistant, SOS, toolbox, and settings. On our settings, we have the watch faces, language, date and time, sport recognition. We have brightness control, sound and vibration. We have raise to wake, do not disturb mode, download app, system, and information about your smartwatch. Okay, going back to its main menus, so we do have a Bluetooth call here, the heart rate. Okay, so let's check. Okay, again. So you still have, okay, activate the heart rate. We have a BPM. I don't know if this is automatic monitoring or not. We're going to check on that later. We do have a blood oxygen. We have a workout. So sports included are cycling, swimming, badminton, tennis, mountaineering, walking, basketball. Okay, we have, how many sports do we have? 70 sports mode available. Okay, we also have swimming, okay, baseball, volleyball. Okay, so it has a comprehensive list of sports function available in the smartwatch. Okay, so for example, we do have outdoor running. So it calculates for the beats per minute, pace, distance, and time. What else? Okay, and okay, so that's it. Okay, nothing to be said. So it has a very good, okay, sports function for the wearable. Okay, sleep. We do have a weather. Okay, so let's check other functions here. Toolbox. So we have a stopwatch, timer, flashlight, find phone, remote camera, and calculator. Okay. Okay, let's go back again to the heart rate. So it's, as you can see here, it's not monitoring. Maybe if we wear it, it will automatically monitor our heart rate. Let's check. Okay, as you can see, it's now moving. There's some animation. So it is not checking, or it's not monitoring your heart rate if you are not wearing the wearable. Okay, so meaning we do really have a real time or true heart rate monitoring here, so it can detect whether you are wearing it or not. Okay, what for the let's go for the blood pressure test. Okay, as you can see here, it is monitoring. Let me remove it. Let's see if it's still okay. It stopped measuring. Let me wear it again. Let's see if it can detect. Now it is monitoring our blood pressure. Okay, so let's go back again. So it is checking. Okay, so far still have to wait for the results here. I don't know if it's can provide fast results for the blood pressure. We'll check it again later on. Maybe it will eat our time. Instead of, we can check other features here. Sleep monitoring. So it monitors for the deep sleep, light sleep, and awake time, and REM sleep. Okay, what else do we have here? Blood oxygen. Okay, so let's wear it properly so we can really check whether it will provide the results or not. Okay, I guess with the blood pressure, as you can see earlier, it's not really detecting our blood pressure. Okay, so here we do have the results. Let's check again. I'll see, as you can see here, it is measuring. Okay, I'm more interested on the blood pressure. Let's see if it can really detect our blood pressure or it really works. Okay, earlier seems like it's stopped. So let's see here, and now it is measuring. I just put the smartwatch or wear it properly, and now it is measuring. Okay, although it provide real-time data, seems like it's very slow, or maybe it is trying to detect the our blood pressure properly. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's wait. Maybe it works really like a real blood pressure monitoring. So as you can see, 118/76. I really do have this blood pressure, okay, data. Okay, when I check my blood pressure, it's around 120/70 or 120/80. So it is close to our expected results. We do have a weather, music control. So we also have a breathing exercise here. Okay, voice assistant. We do also have a SOS, and that's it. Okay, before I forgot, let's check the watch faces. Okay, so we do have a support for always on display. So for the watch faces, wow, we do have a lot of beautiful premium looking watch faces here. I also like this one. Okay, oh, so you have to go, let's check if we can replace it here. Nope, so there's no option to okay, so we do have just long press, the same with other smartwatches. How about this one? Okay, so as you can see here, premium screen display. It is an AMOLED screen display. Okay, a beautiful looking smartwatch from Kospet. It's the Kospet Tank T2 smartwatch. So again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, this wearable, please drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.